Hello, welcome to the Scala booth at ISE 2020. Scala has broadened their perspective, so we are now also able to offer a complete solution for you, meaning that we also have integrated now the availability of screens in various sizes, from really small to super large, so even up to 86 inch. Next to that, we also have interactive tablets for our customers, ranging up from 11 to super large, so to say. That means that we are now able to offer an all-in-one interactive touch solution. When we walk over to other solutions that we have in the booth, to complete our full package, we also have various players in our portfolio, meaning that we have Windows players, but also now we've added Linux players, ranging from light to double output, and also quad players, meaning that we can serve both very light versions of digital signage, but also very heavy integrated solutions, meaning that we can also do video walls, basically whatever you want. If you want to have more information, just visit www.scala.com and we'll get you all the information that you need.